Hey, glad to have you here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the long-awaited AnswerFusion software package. AnswerFusion is an application and course created to help you make money using Yahoo Answers. In fact, it lets you manage your entire marketing campaign like no other application on the planet lets you do. I'm not going to spend too much time trying to sell you anything right now because you can read up on the full description below. So instead, let's get right into this, as this is the first ever publicly shown prototype of the AnswerFusion. This is also by no means a reflection of what the final product will look like, so don't take anything to heart, since a lot of new things will be added before the release date arrives. Okay, so when you open the app, you will firstly be presented with an account management page. And what makes this unique is that it offers a vast number of creation tools, more than any other application currently available. You can create accounts manually, semi-manually, and completely automatically, all very simply and in a very user-friendly fashion. So here we can see a list of accounts I had previously imported using the import button over here. And if we hit next, we'll be transported to the manual creation page. If you want, you can specify your details here. First name, whatever, Nick Matthews, Yahoo ID, whatever you want. Select which domain you want it to be created at, your passwords, CAPTCHA, and then you hit save. That's the manual creation. However, what I predict most of you will be using is the automatic creation. And that's fair because it's very, very classy and very, very fast. Hit next and oops, I'll just go back here. Hit create automatic, and this is a manual account creation page. Sorry, semi-manual. All this requires you to do is enter the CAPTCHA. Hit load for new. It's going to load you a new CAPTCHA. You're going to enter it in and hit create account, and it's going to make you a new account. As you can see right there. And this is very simple because the application automatically generates all the data for you. So first name, last name, username, password, that kind of stuff. Even better though is that automatic creation page. You just enter in your death by CAPTCHA account information, which helps you break CAPTCHAs, and specify how many accounts you want to create. Hit create accounts, and it's going to go off and start making those accounts. Okay, now let's move on to the actual posting, searching questions, and all that kind of stuff. Hit next one more time, and we have the search questions page. Let's say you want to search a question under a keyword, any keyword. Let's say it is skateboarding. Let's hit search. It's going to go out and search Yahoo Answers, all the currently open questions at Yahoo Answers, seeking answers. And it's going to bring you down a list of questions in a few seconds. Obviously, this depends on your internet connection and that kind of stuff. As you can see here, we've got 100 questions that are found under the keyword of skateboarding. So let's say it's pretty simple. Say you want to select any question. You want to select what are the best trucks for skateboarding? Yep. I'll show you how this really works and how it can help you promote your own business. So I've selected a question I want to answer. I've selected one question I want to answer. If I want, I can select multiple questions just by holding Shift and selecting those questions. However, in this case, I'm just going to take the first one. Select one of my accounts. Let's say I want to use, I don't know, this one. My answer can be something like, okay, the best skateboarding trucks are Destructo trucks. You can find these trucks at, and here is the beauty, enter in your website URL, for instance. Let's say, I'm not going to do it right now because I don't have a particular website, sales website, but let's say this is the website. You can find these trucks at blah 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 blah, whatever.com. Source, you can add in the same link if you want, like so, and you get the idea. Next, the beauty of this is the fact when somebody searches for a similar type question in Google or in one of the big search engines, this answer will appear at the top of the results, so in the top 10. Because of Yahoo Answers, it has a high page rank, authority website, it's going to start appearing closer to the top, as opposed to a regular website, a regular question answer website, anything like that. Yahoo Answers gets 50 million visitors per day and has a very, very high authority when it comes to these kind of things. So we selected our account. We have JC Coops, whatever. A friend of mine lent me his account, which is really, really cool. You hit post, and now it's going to go ahead and start posting your answer. You can see it says, please wait. Oop. Oop. Let's just choose another account here. Okay, it's going to go ahead and start posting said answer. Please wait posting answer. Give it a few seconds. It's going to talk you through the process here. Connected, getting profile ID. Got profile ID. This is the log of what's happening. Okay, here we go. It says answers posted. So we have got these. This answer itself has been posted. It's ready to go. Now, just before we move on, I want to show you a few more things. Obviously, this is again very, very early version of the program. It's a first ever prototype. A lot more is going to be added. You know, everything from variables, tags, tokens, spinning, rotation, lots of interesting, cool stuff. But we're making sure to keep it very, very legitimate. So, in the terms of it's not going to be black hat, it will be gray hat. So, it's a fine line. It's irrelevant at the moment, though. You can hit show description, for instance, on one of the questions if you want to get a greater understanding what the question is about. Whereas this guy is saying, and to buy new trucks, blah, 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 and so forth. Now let's hit next and go to the post question answers page. This page lets you post your own questions. Okay, and immediately answer them by selecting them from this list. Let's say you have a question. Let's say you have a question. You want to post a question about your own business, or something that is related to your business. Let's say you want to say something like, where can I find discount pets toys, for instance, because you have a pet toys website and you want to send an affiliate link there or send your own direct link. Okay, and similarly you can just type something like, I'm looking for toys for my, I don't know, new poodle. Where can I find some? Okay, I'm not going to bother with posting and all that stuff now because it might take a while. I'm trying to keep this as short as possible. You hit post and then the question will appear here. You can hit post again. If you have a list of questions and answers you want, you can import them. Questions and answers can be automatically answered for you by the program. This will be added further in the future. You can post questions and answers here. You can a list of things you've already posted. Hit refresh. It will give you a link to your answers. Let's go to URL, for instance. What are the best trucks for skateboarding that we just had? The best skateboard trucks are Destructor trucks. You can find these trucks at, for instance, blah blah blah. Our link. Okay, that may be your website link, for instance. And all these people who are searching for the same kind of thing will find this page, will go to your website, may increase your sales, will most definitely increase your traffic very quickly, very easily, with little to no work per day. And this is a very simple example. If you do some keywords research, you can start looking for good keyword search terms. You're getting lots of searches with less competition, that kind of stuff, and use this to remedy all your SEO work. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to start spending thousands of dollars for search engine optimization, that kind of stuff. This done legitimately can help you, pop you up to the top of the results very quickly, and directly lead people to your website. Next, we have another few things I want to show you real quickly. Best answers, likewise, you can vote an answer for best answer. So say we have this answer. If we want it to appear at the top of the list, so here, everybody who comes to this page will see it at the top of the list, thus increasing your click-throughs, we can vote it for best answer. And if it gets enough votes, it will appear at the top of the list. So you can do this by hitting the vote as best answer button right there. Selecting your account you want to vote from, and you see what I'm saying. Here, likewise, we'll show you all the answers that have been voted for best answer, and voting details, so forth. Proxy information, again, you don't want to keep continually post from the same kind of accounts, same IPs, that kind of stuff. You'll get blocked. It's inevitable. Again, we don't condone using this for spam by any means. We hope you use it for legitimate purposes, and so forth. Here you can add a proxy, get it to rotate every 30 seconds, every 10 seconds, whatever you want to rotate. Soon enough, we'll have things like keyword searches automatically, so it will automatically search for questions underneath your keyword and automatically notify you when there's questions to get you posting. Automatically post questions for you, automatically post answers for you. The whole process will be automated, will be autonomous, very quickly, very easily. And as you can see, this is taking me a few minutes. I've already got one answer posted. If I wanted to, I could have selected a number of questions. I could have selected like so. I could have tokenized my message to make it look different. Hit post. It would have posted within maybe a minute, and bang, I would have been at the top of Google very quickly, very easily for my chosen search terms. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I recommend you go to AnswerFusion.com for more information and join our mailing list or pre-order list for exclusive discounts and things of that matter. Thanks.